Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Hyundai Ioniq 5 thermal preconditioning with Bluelink, beginner guide step by step clearly. To verify Hyundai Ioniq 5 thermal preconditioning with Bluelink, start by ensuring your vehicle is parked and turned on. Open the Bluelink app on your smartphone. Log into your Bluelink account using your credentials. Once you're logged in, locate the vehicle selection menu. Select your Hyundai Ioniq 5 from the list. On the main screen, find the climate control options. Tap on the option for thermal preconditioning. You will see a setting for preconditioning your vehicle's battery and cabin. Adjust the preconditioning settings according to your preferences. If you prefer to set a specific time, choose the scheduling option. Make sure to confirm any changes you've made. After setting the preconditioning, monitor the status on the Bluelink app. You should see notifications indicating whether preconditioning is active. Check your vehicle for any alerts or indicators on the dashboard. Once preconditioning is complete, the cabin should be at your desired temperature. Review the app's history for any previous preconditioning sessions, if necessary. This will help you understand how the preconditioning has performed over time. For any issues, consult the app's support section or your vehicle's user manual. With these steps, you can easily verify thermal preconditioning using Bluelink. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.